there's poo on it. Raccoon. Is that raccoon? Okay. We're gonna replace the 5 horsepower with the 7 horsepower. I'm going to take off this torque converter case, and then maybe after that we can take the torque converter off. We have the 10 mil on it. There we go. Parts.
Ooh, you got it. Ooh, yep.
It
Okay, you can do the
works.
rest with the impact.
It's working.
Mm-hmm. Can you look it now?
Now I can see the engine better.
What do you think about it?
He was very bad. See ya!
Out with the old, in with the new, huh? Right on the valve cover. Nice.
Center shot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to put the other engine on before we lose daylight? Ooh, hit the handle.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's on.
It's on. It is on. Just hold it still. Okay, do the next one.
Oh, you did this one backwards.
What? Yeah, I did. I had to.
We have the right bolt now, so now we can assemble the torque converter. Where's the notch? Where is it? There it is. Now it's just spinning.
So he has to thread through the plastic too.
Since the engine's tilted, we need to lift it up to put the oil in. That looks comfy. That's nice. How much does it need?
Don't know. It's probably wait, don't pour anymore. I think it's full.
Nope.
Yeah. Yeah, it's full.
I might need more water.
Getting all the squirrel poop off? I'll go ahead and fill it up with fuel.
I'm gonna start it up for the first time.
We got an on-off switch. Alright, I guess try it out. beast. Live axle, 7 horsepower with a torque converter. That means it's gonna have low end torque and high end speed. How is it?
Good.
Is the throttle returning okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
It sounds powerful. I'm doing this so that he picks me up, but he's doing it. He just passed me.
You wanna drive yours?
Yeah.
He's maniac.
He was acting like he was actually right.
Yeah. How is it?
Good.
5. Good job. Good driving.
We successfully swapped out the 5.0 horsepower engine with the 7.0 horsepower engine. And it's super fast. So Sam, he made his own YouTube channel, but he only made shorts. So you have to look on YouTube and look for Little Texas Hillbilly. Thanks for watching.